Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing We Craft Box. I have actually done this box before. This is a monthly craft subscription that is supposed to promote togetherness and quality time with your children without the hassle of prepping all the crafts. So they get everything together for you. This is basically, you just get to spend time with your kids, and it's a really great idea. This is actually their like space themed box, which I'm kind of really excited about. They're $24.99 monthly with reduced prices if you go longer. So this, as I told you guys before, when it comes to these subscriptions with the kids, I don't do the video with them because it's just, it turns into mayhem, and they don't really see they don't get the projects until they're actually doing them. So the whole point of the video is lost on them. But I will do all the projects in my full review, which I'll link to below. I'll also link to We Craft Box so you can check them out. So you open it up, and here's what it looks like. Zork, Lost in Outer Space. So then I love to, you open it up and they go through each of the crafts with you. So this is Zork and his space cruiser. You're going to be making an alien, creating outer space. This looks like tons of fun. Oh, wow. Planet painting. Okay, cool. So in here we have some green dots. If you want to see what we do with it all, just check out the full review. I love that color. It's really coming across well. All right. And then you have some star stickers. Silly putty. Oh, kids love silly putty. So there's 2 containers of silly putty. These are for our planet painting, I suppose. These 2 clear balls. We've got some squiggly eyes, googly eyes. 4 of these styrofoam bowls. These will create our spaceship. So I'm guessing what we're going to do is we're going to glue them like this, and then we've got a flying saucer. So there are 4 of those. There are some black dots. Oops, I took one off. Oh, yikes. Zoinks. So there's that. 2 toothbrushes. What are we going to be doing with that? This is just some plain paper. 3 straws. Some white pipe cleaner. Ooh, I'm excited. What are we going to do with all this? There's a lot in here. This looks like little pieces of clay. White clay, but it's like cut into little squares. I don't know if you can see that. Then we've got some glow-in-the-dark paint. Ooh, these are acrylic paints. Look at the colors. So these are going to be fun. This is where we're going to be painting outer space. And it does come with its own little brush. But they've also included a brush and then a pencil. So this is clearly for like a sibling box. There's enough in here at least. If you don't have a sibling, you just can do the projects twice. And then in the bottom we have a big white piece of paper, a few white pieces of paper. There you go. There it is. That's everything I received in my We Craft. Can you wait to see? I can't wait to see what we make. I'm actually excited. The idea of doing outer space stuff, all the kids can like really be involved. The last box I did was a winter themed. We did clay polar bears. It was really cute. The crafts came together really well, and they were simple enough for the kids to follow. So I'm excited to do this one because I like how sometimes you get crafts and they're like it's like, this is way too involved for a little kid. But this one is really nice. So if you're interested in the full review, check that out below. If you're interested in checking out We Craft Box, sorry, I'm being nosy, more 2 people. Who's on my street? If you're interested in checking them out, I will link to them as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.